how to increase your image DPI to 300 or more in Adobe Photoshop. So for KDP, it shows that we need a minimum resolution of 300 DPI, dots per inch. So most images, when we try to do the ChatGPT or Google Flow, they usually send us an image that is 96 DPIs. Let's check this out. We got this wonderful squirrel here, and he has a DPI of 96. As you see, if you go to properties, go to details, scroll down to horizontal resolution and vertical resolution is 96 DPIs. So how we're going to fix this in Adobe Photoshop. So what the first thing you need to do is go to image size, and right here you'll see the resolution is at 72. What we want to do is highlight the resolution and select and put it in 300 and press OK. We're going to export it as, let's say, a PNG. So now let's test to see if the image is now 300 DPI. Remember, go to properties, details. Now we scroll down and we see that the horizontal and vertical resolution is 300 DPI. So we are now able to include this image inside our book for KDP. And remember, when you're adding a photo or image to your KDP publication, you want to go to Insert Pictures in this device. As you can see, the image has been inserted into our Microsoft Word, and usually you want to use the template, so the template is off of Microsoft Word on my computer. And you do not want to increase this image, because just because you brought the image into Microsoft Word, the image has to stay at this size to be at 300 DPIs. If you shrink the image, the DPI increases or it stays the same because you're not stretching out the pixels for this photo. But if you increase it, that means you decrease the DPI. And that is how you change the image to 300 DPI in Adobe Photoshop.